June 12, 2025, what was supposed to be a routine international flight from Ahmedabad to London turned into a national tragedy. Air India flight AI 171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, crashed just minutes after takeoff. 242 lives or more, dreams shattered, families broken. Once again, Boeing finds itself in the eye of a storm. Today, we take a closer look at the Boeing 7878 Dreamliner, celebrated for its innovation but haunted by persistent questions over safety and reliability. Let's unpack the technology, controversies, and the tragic incidents that continue to shadow this iconic aircraft. Launched in 2004 and taking to the skies in 2009, the Boeing 7878 was built to be a revolution in air travel, lightweight, fuel efficient, and capable of flying over 13,000 kilometers non-stop. With seating for up to 248 passengers, the Dreamliner was supposed to be the next generation in comfort and economy. Nearly 50% of its structure is made from composite materials instead of traditional aluminium, reducing weight and increasing fuel savings by up to 25%. Boeing proudly claimed that the Dreamliner had ferried over 1 billion passengers and enabled 425 new non-stop routes since its launch. But behind this success lies a troubling pattern of recurring technical failures. But even dreams can crack under pressure. Since 2019, Boeing's South Carolina plant has come under heavy fire. Quality issues were no longer whispers, they became headlines. Loose seats, improperly installed bolts, substandard titanium, even basic safety clamps were missing. European airlines like KLM called the manufacturing quality way below acceptable standards, and Italian authorities opened a criminal probe into faulty raw materials used in these aircraft. And in 2024, a major whistleblower from within Boeing, engineer Sam Salapore, filed a complaint with the FAA. He alleged that shortcuts in the fuselage assembly process could compromise the jet's structural integrity and lifespan. He even claimed engineers were pressured to approve work that hadn't been inspected. The FAA's investigation is still ongoing. This wasn't the first time. Back in 2021, another complaint about improper assembly led to a pause in Dreamliner deliveries until Boeing promised improvements. But despite the fixes, no Dreamliners were grounded, raising even more eyebrows. The Air India tragedy isn't the first time this aircraft raised alarm bells. United Airlines flight UA 613 is the first case. A sudden autopilot failure over Côte d'Ivoire injured 38 people after both inertial reference units failed mid-air. The second case is of British Airways ground incident. A 787's nose crashed into the tarmac at Heathrow due to an engineering error while it was parked. Other reports also suggest hydraulic leaks, emergency landings, flap control issues. Air India's experience with the Dreamliner has been particularly grim. Since 2011, its 787 fleet has faced over 30 technical issues ranging from engine shutdowns to cabin smoke, altitude drops, tire bursts, and hydraulic leaks. In December 2024, one flight had to be towed and grounded for 28 hours due to a nose gear hydraulic leak. Within just 14 months of the aircraft's induction, Air India reported 136 technical glitches, leading to a 1.43 crore per day in losses, as per government data. Boeing had to implement a complete modification package to fix persistent issues, grounding all Dreamliners temporarily. Air India flight AI-171 had just taken off from Ahmedabad en route to London. Within minutes, disaster struck. The aircraft crashed into a building near Meghani Nagar after giving a mayday call to ATC and going silent. Over 200 bodies have been recovered, and among the victims was former Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani. This crash is India's worst Dreamliner-related disaster. Rescue operations are still underway, and the DGCA has launched a full-scale probe into the circumstances leading to the crash. Is it the end of Boeing's Dreamliner dream? Maybe not. But what's clear is that families across nations deserve answers. Regulatory bodies need to act, and for Boeing, accountability is long overdue. Until then, we are left asking how many more lives will it take?